Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Minecraft Bedrock, unable to locate the game files and resolve the fail to find installed product error.
Fix 1. Repair Minecraft Bedrock Step 1. Press Win plus I, open apps Step 2. Go to Installed Apps, find Minecraft for Windows Step 3. Click Advanced Options Step 4. Click Repair Step 5. Restart your PC. Fix 2. Reset Minecraft Bedrock Step 1. Open Settings, Apps, Installed Apps Step 2. Select Minecraft for Windows Step 3. Click Advanced Options Step 4. Click Reset, confirm Step 5. Launch the game again. Fix 3. Sign into Microsoft Store and Xbox App Step 1. Open Microsoft Store, sign in with your Microsoft account Step 2. Open Xbox app, sign in with the same account Step 3. Restart the PC and launch Minecraft. Fix 4. Reinstall Minecraft Bedrock Step 1. Uninstall Minecraft for Windows Step 2. Restart your PC Step 3. Open Microsoft Store Step 4. Search Minecraft for Windows, install Step 5. Launch the game. Fix 5. Check Windows Updates Step 1. Press Win plus I, open Windows Update Step 2. Click Check for Updates Step 3. Install all updates Step 4. Restart your PC.